Artificial intelligence, AI, is advancing at an unprecedented pace, and by 2025, it will have transformed industries, economies, and daily life in ways we can only begin to imagine. From generative AI to autonomous systems, the next few years will witness groundbreaking developments that will redefine how we live, work, and interact with technology. Here are the top 7 AI trends for 2025 that will shape the future. Number 1. Generative AI becomes mainstream. Generative AI, which includes tools like OpenAI's GPT models and DALL-E, will become a cornerstone of innovation by 2025. These systems, capable of generating text, images, music, and even code, will be integrated into everyday applications, revolutionizing how we create and consume content. Businesses will increasingly rely on generative AI to automate content creation, from marketing copy to video production, significantly reducing costs and increasing efficiency. AI will also enable hyper-personalized experiences, such as tailored advertisements and custom product recommendations, enhancing customer engagement. In creative industries, artists, writers, and designers will collaborate with AI to push the boundaries of creativity, producing works that blend human ingenuity with machine intelligence. However, the misuse of generative AI for deepfakes, misinformation, and plagiarism will remain a significant challenge. Governments and organizations will need to establish robust frameworks to ensure the responsible use of generative AI technologies, balancing innovation with ethical considerations. Number 2. AI in healthcare, revolutionizing diagnosis and treatment. By 2025, AI will play a pivotal role in transforming healthcare, making it more accurate, efficient, and accessible. From early disease detection to personalized treatment plans, AI-driven solutions will save lives and reduce costs. AI algorithms will analyze medical images, lab results, and patient histories to detect diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart conditions at an early stage, enabling timely interventions. AI will also accelerate the development of new drugs by predicting molecular interactions and identifying potential candidates for clinical trials, reducing the time and cost of bringing new treatments to market. Additionally, AI-powered virtual assistants will provide real-time medical advice, monitor patients remotely, and assist healthcare professionals in decision-making, improving patient outcomes. Despite these advancements, protecting sensitive patient data will remain a top priority as healthcare systems adopt AI technologies. Ensuring that AI models are trained on diverse datasets to avoid biased outcomes will also be critical to achieving equitable healthcare solutions. Number 3. Autonomous systems take over. By 2025, autonomous systems powered by AI will become more prevalent, transforming industries such as transportation, logistics, and manufacturing. These systems will enhance efficiency, safety, and productivity across various sectors. Self-driving vehicles, including cars, trucks, and drones, will become more common, improving road safety and reducing transportation costs. In manufacturing, AI-driven robots and machines will dominate production lines, increasing productivity and minimizing human error. Delivery services will also see a revolution, with autonomous drones and robots handling last-mile delivery, making it faster and more efficient. However, the rise of autonomous systems will require governments to establish safety standards and regulations to ensure their safe deployment. Additionally, the automation of jobs in certain sectors will lead to job displacement, necessitating reskilling and upskilling initiatives to prepare the workforce for new roles. Number 4. AI-powered cybersecurity. As cyber threats become more sophisticated, AI will play a crucial role in safeguarding digital assets and infrastructure. By 2025, AI-driven cybersecurity solutions will be essential for businesses and governments to protect against evolving threats. AI algorithms will analyze vast amounts of data to identify and respond to cyber threats in real time, enabling proactive defense mechanisms. Financial institutions will use AI to detect fraudulent transactions and prevent cyber attacks, enhancing security for customers. Number 5. AI and the future of work. By 2025, AI will reshape the workplace, automating routine tasks and enabling employees to focus on higher value activities. This trend will lead to increased productivity and new opportunities for innovation. Number 6. AI in climate change and sustainability. By 2025, AI will be a powerful tool in the fight against climate change, helping organizations and governments achieve sustainability goals. AI-driven solutions will optimize resource use, reduce emissions, and promote environmental conservation. AI will optimize energy consumption in buildings, factories, and transportation systems, reducing carbon emissions and lowering energy costs. Advanced climate modeling powered by AI will improve the accuracy of predictions, enabling better mitigation strategies and disaster preparedness. Number 7. AI ethics and governance. As AI becomes more pervasive, ethical considerations and governance frameworks will take center stage. By 2025, ensuring that AI is used responsibly and equitably will be a top priority for governments, organizations, and society as a whole. Governments will establish regulations to govern the development and deployment of AI technologies, ensuring they are used for the public good. Efforts to eliminate bias in AI algorithms will intensify, ensuring fair outcomes for all users. Organizations will prioritize transparency in AI decision-making processes, building trust with users and stakeholders. By 2025, AI will have transformed nearly every aspect of our lives, from healthcare and transportation to work and sustainability. The trends outlined above represent just a glimpse of what the future holds. While the potential benefits of AI are immense, they come with significant challenges that must be addressed through collaboration, innovation, and responsible governance. As we stand on the brink of this AI-driven future, one thing is clear: everything is changing. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. And it is up to us to ensure that AI is used as a force for good, driving progress and improving lives for generations to come.